How can a dedicated server benefit your business? For anyone looking for the absolute best hosting solution for their site, dedicated server hosting delivers high performance. Apart from its speed, it has numerous advantages that make it a popular web hosting platform. Here are some ways, obvious and otherwise, in which a dedicated hosting server can benefit your business. It delivers high performance. A dedicated server hosts and reserves its resources for only one website at a time, which boosts performance. Your business will benefit with a high-performance hosting server by creating more engagement. It offers robust security. A dedicated server enjoys some of the highest levels of security and eliminates the bad neighbor effect. A secure hosting server ensures that all your private and confidential data is safe against hacking and theft. It assures better reliability. A dedicated server offers complete control with full root access, enabling you to configure it for stability. A reliable hosting server ensures that your website always remains accessible to its visitors. It supports effortless scalability. It is relatively straightforward to scale a dedicated server by adding more resources. With effortless scalability, your website can easily keep up with the varying needs of your business. It bundles dedicated support. Dedicated server hosting is a top-tier hosting service that bundles the highest quality technical support. With quality support, you can be assured of quick issue resolution during an emergency. Reseller Club's dedicated server hosting offers enterprise-grade hardware with better speeds and efficiency. Get a powerful hosting solution that offers full root access and round-the-clock monitoring and support.